Peace. Yeah, so I'm going to be teaching you today how to fake. Oh, let me just turn that up a bit. Yeah, put the screen up. But anyway, yeah, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to be teaching you how to fake crack your knuckles. Very simple. So, actually cracking your knuckles like this can give you arthritis. Actually, you know what? I don't really believe that, but your fingers will be all gross and stuff when you're younger. So this trick will not only help you not get arthritis, but it'll also help you trick your friends. So here's what it looks like. Beep, beep, beep. Roll back. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, check this out, man. Hey, check this out, check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. You could also do this with your neck. Can you think how I'm doing this? Well, if not, listen. Beep, beep, beep. Roll back to Steven. And now I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. All you have to do is, okay, so first, take your hand like this, like a puppet, like, ah, la, 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 la. Then take whatever finger you want except your thumb, and, just don't get giggly about this. Stick it in like that, right? Then you're going to want to put your index finger up like that, and your two fingers up above your knuckles right here. Just like that. Then you're having something like this. Now then you get in your snapping position. Oh yeah, you have to know how to snap to do this. Get in your snapping position, and you tug at the same time you snap, and it'll go something like this. Now, that's how to do it, and your neck is pretty much the same thing. All you're doing, taking your snapping finger and putting it behind your head like this, and snapping with like kind of like a pull like that, and don't actually go and like and then like kill yourself, kind of like just kind of like go like that, not like that. So yeah, all you do, snap, put it behind, and kind of like a slight one like that. So kind of looks like that. Thanks for watching. I think crack your knuckles thing. Thanks for watching how to fake crack your knuckles. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I hope you like my videos. I'll be uploading more. So see you later.